everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. I am trying to get comfortable in this chair and it is not working. I thought I had my lighting where I wanted it. You know, sometimes you start a video and you think you have everything ready to go and you just don't. So let me just shift this over a little bit here. Okay, I hope that looks okay. Slickwraps skin for my OnePlus 6T. We're going to do that in just a moment here, but I wanted to explain the Skinomi box. Liquid spring protectors, because you actually get two in here with the spray, microcloth, and directions. I put one on my OnePlus 6T. A week ago, I uploaded a video showcasing this unbranded case from China for $7.99. I added on a tempered glass screen protector for $1 more. So total price $8.99. Took almost 2 weeks, about a week and a half, just between a week and a half to 2 weeks to get this product in from China. So in that video, I actually installed the tempered glass screen protector on my OnePlus 6T. A few days after that, I noticed a bubble and I was squeezing out that bubble and I pressed too hard and my nail went into the corner of the tempered glass screen protector and cracked it. So I went to pull it up and it cracked some more. I threw it on the ground. I wasn't too happy and it busted up even more. The tempered glass screen protector, unbranded from China, and the Skinomi liquid screen protector working great with the in-display fingerprint reader. Working better, in my opinion, than the screen protector you already have on your OnePlus out of the box from OnePlus. So I've had no issues whatsoever. Yes, you have to delete what you already have in your 6T as far as your fingerprint, whether you're using your thumb or your finger, and then you have to do that whole process all over again. But you see that in that video when I'm showcasing this case in the tempered glass screen protector. I did not make a video for the liquid screen protector. I just got it in. I needed it on my device right away. So I did not make a video. Didn't have time to do that. But I'm telling you, it works if you like liquid screen protectors. Anyway, enough of that. Those links down below in the description area. So what I brought in is the red carbon skin. Oop. Shaky cam. I typically don't use the borders. So I'm going to just use this part of the skin. That looks really, really nice. I've always wanted a carbon skin, so finally got one in. Slickwrap sticker. We'll place that over there. There's one right over here. And you get a microcloth. And I got my own wet wipe here to clean the back of my OnePlus 6T. Glass back. Very shiny, very beautiful, but I gotta have some protection. I do have a case here. I'll leave this down below in the description area. It's a third-party case. I forgot the name of the company, but I'll put it down there along with everything else that I've talked about so far in this video. Okay, so I can showcase that skin. Okay, so we'll put all this aside. Slickwraps. This can be a lengthy video, so stay with me. If you want to skip ahead, go ahead. Feel free to do that. We can get all these products out of the way. Okay, so we'll go ahead. You know, I could just do the install and speed it up, but I'm not going to do that because while I'm doing this, I want to let you know how my experience with my OnePlus 6T has been. It's been great. This 1080p display, this optic AMOLED display is just gorgeous. My media intake on this display visually has been phenomenal. Phenomenal. T-Mobile variant here, working great. Performance functionality, just performing like a champ. It's a true powerhouse device. I would have to say it's got to be, for me right now, the consumer-friendly device smartphone of the year. I mean, at this point, the price point that I paid, 280 smacks, $20 activation fee at T-Mobile, traded in my older Motorola Nexus 6, got 300 smacks for that. Yeah, you can't go wrong. And even at the regular price, you cannot go wrong. 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. And this is beautiful. Look at that. This is just gorgeous. Now it's just getting it on here. There's a piece of dust right there. I don't want any dust underneath this red carbon skin from Slickwraps. Yes. I'm actually standing up here. Bear with me. Bear with me. But yeah, man, I'm really digging this device. Battery life has been phenomenal. Gotten over 8 hours a few times, depending on what I'm doing. You know, it really depends on what you do and what you don't do. But I'll tell you, this device is well optimized. You got Oxygen OS over the top of Android Pie and everything working great. Just a fluid, smooth device. You know what? It's a little bit up top here. Yeah, you know what? I have patience. My wife could not do this. She does not have patience for this kind of stuff, bless her heart. But she puts up with me. Again, bless her heart. Okay, let's see. I think, and I am going to use. It's up to you. Disclaimer: you don't have to, as far as the blow dryer, but it softens up the skin a little bit, so the adhesive does its job up against the device. So I'm going to put this video on pause and go get the blow dryer. But this is looking just fresh. There we go. You'll get some bubbles too. So this softens it up a little bit. Then you just want to press in. You can see the bubbles there. You want to get those bubbles out. Squeeze those out along the side. You can see the bubbles coming up. Again, it is up to you whether you want to use the blow dryer or not. I choose to. It works for me. Be very, very careful. Okay? Do your homework. I'm going to leave a link to one of the videos that I uploaded a while back when I did the Blade Runner skin there. In that video, I explain in a little more detail how to customize your own skin over at slickwraps.com. LG G7, Google Pixel 2 XL, and the Razer phone. All skinned by Slickwraps. Get that bubble. There's a bubble right there. But outside of that, that looks, wow, that just looks really, really nice with the black. Doesn't that? That just looks sweet. Let me get this blow dryer out of the way. Yeah, I could put all of these. I may go ahead and do this little guy right here. And this gives protection to the glass back. That's one of the key reasons why I do this. It's not going to guarantee anything whatsoever. It's better to have a case, okay? Even if it's minimal like this, you can show off. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? That looks really, really nice. Let's get a close-up of this beautiful skin on my 6T. Yeah, it deserves the whistle. Man, that's just pure sexiness right there. Got a powerhouse device, and yet still sexy, sleek. Definitely digging the look. 3 weeks into the OnePlus 6T as a phone, making phone calls, receiving phone calls, messaging, going out, coming in, everything working great. 4G LTE connectivity is solid with T-Mobile. That is my carrier. Lots of RAM, lots of internal storage, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. It's plenty. 1080p optic AMOLED display, gorgeous. The one speaker down here, the one true speaker, doing the job, getting it done. Totally digging it. Not a perfect device, but yet, yeah, in my opinion, could be, at this point for me, not for you, for me, the consumer-friendly device of the year. There's just too many positives when it comes to this smartphone. Battery life, solid device. Feels great in hand. Now it's even better. It's beautiful without the skin, but it's just, man, that's just killing it right there. Yeah, smooth. Performance, functionality, amazing. Just, and if you have any questions, just, yeah, leave it down below. I'll do my best to answer anything you want to know, but it's just a solid device. Solid. Oxygen OS over the top of Android 9, Android Pie. Everything well optimized, everything working great. Cannot go wrong. I'm going to go ahead and boot my 6T back up here. Put you on pause. Okay, I'm back. And I purposely have the Skinomi box here because we are now going to see how well this liquid screen protector, I already know how well it's going to do. It has been doing. I just want you to see how well it does. I only have my thumb in right now, and I only did it once. And we're gonna test it out right now. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Based on lock is phenomenal. Is phenomenal. I'm not going to test at it. We already know that that's just an area that just works. It's not the securest, but it is fast. Okay, let's do it. Okay, ready? Just like that. You see that? Look at that. Okay. Anyway, let's do this one more time, and bam. Skinomi liquid screen protectors. You get two in case you screw one up. All the links down below in the description area. Bumpy cam again. Red carbon skin from Slickwraps. Looking fresh, looking sweet, looking beautiful, looking sexy. Oh man. All right, everybody. Peace. Thanks for coming on by. Till my next vid, this is my Project 13. You are my Project 13. God bless.